Hello and welcome to today's video on the principles of chemical and biological drug action. In this video, we will explore how drugs interact with our bodies at a molecular level and the mechanisms by which they produce their desired effects. First, let's start with the basics. Chemical and biological drugs are substances that are used to treat, cure, or prevent diseases. Chemical drugs are typically synthesized in a laboratory and are made up of molecules that can interact with specific targets in the body, such as enzymes or receptors. On the other hand, biological drugs are derived from living sources, such as cells or proteins, and they work by targeting specific molecules involved in the disease process. Now, let's discuss how drugs produce their effects. Drugs can exert their actions by binding to specific receptors, which are proteins found on the surface of cells or inside the cell. When a drug binds to a receptor, it can either activate or inhibit its function. This interaction triggers a cascade of events within the cell, leading to the desired effect of the drug. For example, pain medications bind to receptors in the brain, blocking the transmission of pain signals. Another important principle of drug action is pharmacokinetics, which refers to how drugs are absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and eliminated by the body. These processes determine the concentration of the drug at its target site and influence its effectiveness. Factors such as the route of administration, the drug's chemical properties, and the individual's characteristics can affect pharmacokinetics. Moreover, drugs can have both therapeutic and adverse effects. Therapeutic effects are the desired effects that alleviate symptoms or cure diseases. Adverse effects, on the other hand, are unwanted and potentially harmful effects that can occur when a drug is used. The occurrence and severity of adverse effects can vary from person to person, and they are often a result of the drug's actions on non-target molecules. In conclusion, the principles of chemical and biological drug action involve the interactions of drugs with specific targets in the body, the pharmacokinetics of the drugs, and the therapeutic and adverse effects they can produce. Understanding these principles is crucial for the development of safe and effective drugs, as well as for the proper use and management of medications. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and engaging.